Today, I'll show you how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In Chrome, JavaScript is usually enabled by default. But if it was turned off, some websites may stop working properly, buttons may not respond, videos may not load, or pages may look broken. Google's help says you can turn JavaScript back on from Chrome's site settings, and on iPhone and iPad it is on by default. If you're using Chrome on a computer, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings, open Privacy and Security, click Site Settings, and look for JavaScript under the Content settings. Google says that from there, you can choose Sites can use JavaScript as the default behavior. Once that is selected, JavaScript is enabled again in Chrome. Now, if only one website is having a problem, you may not need to change the setting for every site. Google's Chrome help says you can manage permissions for a specific website by opening the site, clicking the icon to the left of the web address, opening site settings, and changing the site's permissions there. That can be useful if JavaScript is blocked only on one page instead of across the whole browser. If you're using an Android phone or tablet, open Chrome, tap the three dots, then go to Settings. After that, open Site Settings, tap JavaScript, and turn it on. Google's help specifically lists this as the Android method for enabling JavaScript in Chrome. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, there's another important detail. Google's help says JavaScript is turned on by default for Chrome on iPhone and iPad, so in most cases you do not need to change anything there. If a website still doesn't work, the problem is likely something else, not a normal JavaScript toggle inside Chrome. One more thing to remember is that enabling JavaScript is different from enabling Java. Chrome supports JavaScript, which websites use for interactive features, but Chrome no longer supports old Java browser applets the way it once did. So if someone says enable Java, that is a different issue from JavaScript, and that's how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.